everyone. Guess what today is? Today is a great day for some brand new clothes, and look what arrived on my doorstep. And oh, is this baby beat up? Look at this. But you know what I tell myself? I just have faith that deep down inside this beat up box is something beautiful. So I don't want to judge the book by the cover. I think there's going to be some great treasures inside of this box. And if you are uncertain about what Trendsend is a styling service offered by the company Evereve. And Evereve is a clothing store, kind of a boutique clothing store that is nationwide. And if you do not have an Evereve in your town, you can order a Trendsend box. And what I did, I went online, I filled out a style profile, and they paired me with a stylist. And to be truthful, I get a new stylist every single box, and Kelly is my favorite. She styled a few boxes, so I hope that Kelly has styled this box. Anyway, that stylist puts together three outfits for you, and they send them to you. You have 5 days to try everything on. Postage is free both ways. There is no deposits, there's no fees. You just purchase what you like, you send feedback, and they will send you another box whenever you request. I will put all of that information in the description box below, and I will also put my referral link if you want to go through there. You might get paired up with my stylist. So let's get into this box and see what we have. The whole box was beat up, so I didn't want to show you the presentation. Even my information is kind of chewed up. Hey, since you've stuck around this far, will you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button? I sure would like to see you again. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let's get right into the pack. Oh my gosh, we got a sweater? Maybe it's a cardigan. This is by Allison Joy. Oh, this is a navy cardigan. And can you see how thin that weave is? That's a really thin cardigan. This looks like a very nice option. My husband turned the air conditioning on today, so I need a cardigan in the house now. And we have a simple, oh no, I love this. I love this top. This is by Bobby. This is a pocket tee with the tie there. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna read the prices to you as we go on. This is $48. I received something like this in blue. It wasn't a tank. And I sure liked it. This first Allison Joy is also $48. So these prices are looking pretty good so far. And we have a pair of denims, and these are cut from the cloth, which I love. They're the Reese ankle straight leg, and they have this stripe down the middle. You guys know I've tried these before, not this exact one. These have the frayed hem, and I've tried some of these and I didn't like them until I watched my video. I also want to tell you, I see these a lot. I think they are very on trend, and I keep thinking about them, and when I watch other YouTubers get them, I have a little twinge of envy. So I'm excited about these. Where's our tag? Our price tag. Oh, these are even marked down. They were regularly $98, and they are marked down to $79.99. I hope that these fit. They always send cut from the cloth. They send me one size down because they do run large, but these are small. These are a size 4, and I'm normally a 6. So let's see, another beat up package. Outfit number 2, we have black. Everyone knows how I feel about black. This is Sanctuary. This is $89. Yeah, this has got a keyhole back. We've got ruffles, which I am not crazy about the ruffles. I do like the sleeves. They're pretty sheer. And then we have the ruffle on the sleeve with some elastic gathering right at the wrist. This is another thing I'm not real crazy about, is that elastic waistband, but I don't like black. I just don't like it. I don't know if I can stress that enough. I've received this. I received this, it looks like, in my January Trendsend. You guys liked it. Oh, no, I didn't. This is by Post. We the Freet. This is on sale for $59.99. It was $68, but this sure looks like the Free People top that I received in January, and I did send that back. I am not in need of sweaters. I know I told you my husband just turned the AC on, and I'm probably not even going to try these on. These are Articles of Society, white denim, and they are $68. I tried the white denim Articles of Society. Trunk Club sent them to me, and I solved my white denim problem, and I did a video on it, my white denim haul. So I will try these outfits on with white denim, but I'm not going to purchase these. This has just been a thorn in my side, the white denim. And next we have the last outfit. Ooh, I wonder if we have some jewelry here. It says, "Love like a mom." Let's see what the jewelry is. I don't buy a lot of jewelry from the subscription boxes unless it's on sale and fun. And this is fun. I like this. This is a layering necklace, and it's got all different colors. It's got the rose gold and black and gold. Can you see that, how pretty that is? That is lovely. Where's our price tag? It's $14.99. It's marked down. It is on sale. It was regularly $34, marked down to $24.99. Now it's $14.99, and I'm gonna try it on. And this is beautiful, and the price is right. This is costume jewelry, and I want to pay costume jewelry prices for it. So what outfit are we gonna wear with that necklace? She has sent me. What is this? Is this a dress? Wow. This is an odd looking dress off the body. This is by Allison Joy. This is a size small, not normally a small, so I hope it runs big. It's got this ruching down the side, which makes me think of a more fancy dress with the ruching down the side. So it's probably gonna be pretty form-fitting. I'm excited to try it on. I am doing my best to show these pieces as the stylist has styled them, and this is what she says. I have a new stylist. Her name is Vicki. She says, outfit number 1 is the Allison Joy open cardi, the bobby pocket tie tank, and the cut from the cloth Reese ankle straight. She says, I wanted to give you an outfit that would have multiple uses, such as working or running around, but still look fashionable. I've sent these jeans by Cut from the Cloth. They were similar to the ones that you received before and that you liked. They are an ankle pant, so don't be afraid of them being a little short. We just got these cardigans in by Allison Joy, and they are amazing between the softness and the ease of wearing it. I'm sure it will become your go-to piece this summer. I styled you with our number 1 tank right now by Bobby. It's very figure flattering with the side tie. I can see you wearing some booties or some fun sandals to jazz it up, and so I put loafers on. Anyway, this is outfit number 1. I walked by my husband and he went, oh, I don't think he likes it. These jeans are tight, and I know they're cut from the cloth, which stretch out as you wear them, but they are a size 4, and I think I normally wear a 6. Sometimes my boyfriend jeans are 4, but they're a big jean, and this tank is a size small, and I have a muffin top working, and so I'm going to blame it on the jeans and not on the muffins that I eat, but I like it. You can see the tank is see-through, and so it's a very thin fabric. I like the tank like this that I got in navy. I love the feel of this cardigan. It's very lightweight, but I do think it would add a little warmth in church, in restaurants where the air conditioning is on. Let me take it off and show you. Here's the tank. I will check the care instructions. It's probably 100% cotton, and it's a really good fit right now. I have a feeling it would look better with a larger pair of jeans. And here's the jeans. Let me step back so you can see them. So this is outfit number 1. What I do like about outfit number 1 is the prices are great on all of these items. Outfit number 2, she paired the Sanctuary blouse with the white Articles of Society jeans, which I'm not going to try on, not going to buy them. I did score my white jeans. These are the Hudson jeans with the button-up front. I had them taken in the waist, and they're a high-rise, and these fit like a glove. So I'm very pleased with them. Out of the market for white jeans. Now here's the Sanctuary top, which she says how feminine it is and how it's so springtime. It can be worn with white pants, with denim, or dress slacks, which is true. But this just doesn't say springtime to me. What do you think? It does have the slightly bell-sleeved with the elastic around the wrists, and that's very light and flowy. There's a little ruffle here, and it just is not Kelly. It's not for me at all. It's lined in the front, and this is a beautiful top for someone else. The Free People sweater that she sent. I received this before. I did a try on. I actually received this same top a size larger in a lilac color, and a lot of you liked it, but it was too large, and this is a size small, and I think I'm really comfortable in an oversized sweater this size. It can go off the shoulder on both sides or just one shoulder, kind of a very casual look. I think it even looks okay with these white pants. The reason she enclosed these is when I sent this back, I said I really like it. It costs too much. When it goes on sale, send it. This is going to be mine. Outfit number 3 is the Allison Joy Rosy Scrunch dress and the 3942 mixed media layered necklace. And the note says, everyone needs a go-to dress. And this dress by Allison Joy is perfect with the ruching. It's so figure flattering. I added this layered necklace to give it a little something extra. You could put on some dressy heels, or you could even wear it with a denim jacket and some booties to give it a more casual look. I'll tell you how it feels. It feels like a t-shirt dress. This is I would say predominantly cotton dress. This ruching makes it feel a little bit fancier, but it does nothing for my figure. This is a size small, and this is a dress I would have to wear my shapewear with to hold my tummy in. I'll show you. It just is not figure flattering, and it just feels so tight here. I'm very self-conscious about how tight the bottom of it is, and yeah, I do think this would be a go-to dress for the summertime. I don't think it looks like a fancy dress except for the ruching, but this is what the dress looks like, and I'm not comfortable in it. Maybe in one size larger I would like it. And here's the beautiful necklace. Look at how it shines. It's so pretty. I love this necklace, and the price is really right on this one. Final thoughts on this Trendsend. It is much better than my last Trendsend. My last Trendsend was the first box I had ever returned everything. I got a bunch of repeats, and nothing in the box worked, so I am very pleased. This box is much more to my liking. It's still not 100%, but I don't know if I could ever afford to purchase an entire Trendsend box. That would be so much fun. I did have a referral credit on this order, and I looked, and the customer's name is gone. But you know who you are. Thank you so much for going through my link. And if you try Trendsend by going through my link, they will extend me a 20% discount on my next box. So I happen to have that on this. So these are sale prices on many of these items, and then I get 20% off. So this box looks really, really attractive to me. So I am going to go over the prices one more time because the prices are a little bit new, but I know I'm going to be using my return mailer because I am going to return Society jeans. I don't care how much they cost. I am not trying on another pair of white jeans. I almost needed a prescription of Prozac for the white jean debacle. But those jeans are, where are we? Articles of Society, $54.40. So that's an awesome price tag, but I'm not shopping for white jeans any longer. Okay, the things that I know I want to keep are this navy cardigan, which is marked down with my discount for $38.40. That is a super price for a cardigan, so this is mine and I like it, so I'm not even buying it because it's on sale. And this Free People top is on sale for $47.99, and that's a big markdown, so that will be mine as well. Now, these are the items that I need your help on. I did check the label on this t-shirt, and the t-shirt by Bobby is $38.40. This is 100% cotton, so I probably need a larger size in this one, but I could get by with it if I take special care. I like this blouse. There goes my puppies. So let me know what you think about that one. And the cut from the cloth jeans are on sale for $63.99. These are really tight. I imagine if I wore them for a little while, they would become more comfortable, but I don't know how I feel about buying jeans that are that small. And then this is the final top. This is the Sanctuary top, and on sale, this top is $71.20. So this really doesn't seem like an option for me. It's expensive, even on sale, and it's just not my style at all. So I would love to hear what you think about, the dress. I forgot about the dress I'm wearing. And the necklace. This necklace is $11.99. Thank you so much, my friend. Whoever used my link, I love you because I love this necklace. That was really a kind thing that you did. And this dress, let's talk about the dress. The Rosy Scrunch dress is $54.40. And I wish it was larger. One size larger would have made all the difference in the world. So I am a little bit curious if they sent me a bunch of clearance stuff because these sizes aren't my sizes. And I don't think that I have ever mistakenly put size small on everything from Trendsend. So I don't know. Love to hear your comments on the things that I received, what you think I should keep, and what you think I definitely need to return. If you haven't subscribed already, please join us. I do unboxings and upload a video every other day. So in 2 days, I will have another video coming out, and I would love for you to join me. Thank you so much, all of you, for watching. I really appreciate your support. God bless you all.